How I use the FIRE method, financial independence, retiring early, to build income from home in under 5 years. Now, before you click away thinking this is another suit and tie guy on a laptop and a bench in a fancy office, hang on for a second. Because I'm not a tech guru, I'm not a tech guy. I've done all the trades, cranes, welding, long hauls, heavy equipment, and I've even worked remote jobs away from the home. But I figured this out. And I figured out after the world started getting weird, layoffs, inflations, pensions shrinking, and everyone being told you just have to work a few more years. But you feel it, don't you? Companies are cutting back, and after 25 years on the job, I looked at my pension and realized something uncomfortable. I wasn't broke, but I wasn't really safe either. I was going to be sick short. I mean, really sick short. And if you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The trades, they paid the bills. They paid for the house. They built the house. They raised your kids. But when the economy sneezes, the trades catch pneumonia. And financial independence or retiring early, well, I had to laugh. That's for Silicon Valley kids and Wall Street guys, right? Wrong. Strip away the hype. FIRE is really about one thing: income that doesn't depend on you leaving the house. Remote income. Build quietly on your terms. And I realized something scary and freeing all at the same time. Nobody was coming to save me. My retirement was up to me. I had to build my own. So I didn't quit my life. I didn't quit my job. I didn't risk everything just to go ahead and do this. I started learning digital marketing in my spare time, nights, evenings, weekends, an hour here, 20 minutes there. And when the news started screaming recession, when the companies started to push back, and when other people my age were told it's too late for you to start something new, just work as a door greeter for minimum wage, I had this: no inventory, no employees, no storefront, just remote work, working from home with my laptop or a cell phone. And at first it was slow, but it started to work. I built a simple digital program and shared it with everybody I can. What I was learning, what helped people like me. Now I wake up to sales notifications on days that I don't do anything at all. That's not hype, that's leverage. If you're watching this between shifts, or after the house finally goes quiet, or wondering what happens if your job disappears tomorrow, or before you're even ready, this is your sign. You don't need to be young, you don't need to be tech savvy. You just need something that works remotely from home or anywhere as far as that goes. When everything else feels shaky, I have a community where regular people can learn how to build income from home. No gurus, no fluff, just a real system. The links are below. Don't forget to watch the next video. Hit the like, share, and follow. Because hoping things go back to normal isn't a plan anymore. Hear me now, believe me later when I say I'm rooting for you.